Trading options with Etrade involves a few key steps. Here's a concise guide. Log into your Etrade account. Visit Etrade or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Ensure account approval. Options trading approval. Ensure your account is approved for options trading. If not, you will need to apply for options trading privileges by providing additional information about your trading experience and financial situation. Access the options trading platform. Navigate to the trading section. Click on the Trade tab and select options from the drop-down menu. You'll be directed to the options trading interface. Research and select an option. Find a stock. Use the search tool to find the stock or ETF you want to trade options on. Analyze options. Review available options contracts, including strike prices, expiration dates, and premiums. Place an order. Choose order type. Select the type of options trade. Specify details such as strike price, expiration date, and quantity. Enter order details. Fill out the order form with your selected parameters and choose the order type. Review and submit. Review your order for accuracy, then submit it. Monitor and manage. Track orders. Check your options positions and monitor their performance using Etrade's platform. You can adjust or close positions as needed.